Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Ngibuyelele wengane zakwethu uphinde futhi-ke nginamukele kuyona i-channel ehamba phambili le-radio inkeze lami igama ngufeza nguduthu ngakhuma lo bathi elasibona amagumede mawuthi mhlawumbe usemusha kuleli khasi ngizophinde ngicela nje ukuthi uyasubscribe ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta nokulike nokushare okuyikhona okukhulu kunakho konke uyingane zakwethu usabatshaza isenze sebhange la kwa-Capitec edolobheni lakwaDukuza okuthiwa liphoqa umndeni ukubuke ufike nobufakazi bokuthi umufi ufuna imali yakhe yokumngcwaba kasekho ngempela emhlabeni wey'ngane zakwethu kwividiyo esabalele ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana la kubonakala-ke lo mndeni okade uphume emotweni nesidumbu laphana okungena phakathi kwi-branch yaku-Capitec ekwaDukuza-ke laphana okuyibona ubufakazi-ke ngibona abantu abaningi-ke imibono ihlukahlukene ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana mayelana nalesi senzo babodwa-ke abathi laphana-ke umndeni wenze kahle waphuma yafika neproof abanye laphana bachaza ukusho ukuthi-ke i-death certificate beyanela sazi-ke ngaza kwethu ukuthi kube kanjani kuze kufike kulesigameko sokuthi-ke laphana kufunakala-ke noma kuze kufike isidum instead of ama-death certificate. Ama-comment bekade angenele omunye ubhale ukuthi sekwasuke kwaqasha abantu abamnyama ema-office abamkhola omunye umuntu izinja nje lapha nomunye uthi bekufanele babuye nomzimba like the lady did with the old emotionally-ke laphana omunye uthi I think umndeni ube nehaba death certificate and postmortem papers are enough evidence. I did my claim 2 months ago kwa-Capitec, everything was smooth and quickly. Laphana-ke khona omunye ubhala ukuthi death certificate is enough and proof and the FBI laphana baningi baphawulile omunye ubhala they mean death certificate and other document related to it laphana wonke amabhenki afuna i-proof and death certificate that could be death certificate of PI and other related documents baningi wey'ngane zakwethu abathe ukuphawula ngalolu daba mhlawumbe kuthini kwakho ukuphawula ngalolu daba hlala ma-comment section ke ngizwe ukuthi wena lithini olwakho uvo ngalolu daba mina ngilasibona engane zakwethu sengiphuma njena kodwa ngiyathembisa uyabuya futhi nezinye izindaba ezilandelayo kwividiyo elandelayo kakho subscribe isiphathe kahle nibe nosuku olumnandi nansi ividiyo ekhomisa la umndeni kade ungena khona nesidumbu kwa-Capitec kwi-branch nansi ividiyo.
Wait, I'll tell you now, Dad.
Maybe these people didn't pay, they just think so.
Oh, they put him in the back, clean the body, like shop.